We are looking at how to pronounce this name from Spanish, meaning little lagoons. This is the name of a famous brand of beers made in California. So we're going to be looking at how to say more interesting beer names as well. If that's what you're here for, make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. So how do you say this word? In Spanish it is said as Lagunitas, Lagunitas. Therefore, in English it is normally pronounced as Lagunitas, Lagunitas from Spanish, Lagunitas. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting Spanish words and beer names as well, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.